All right. Welcome to 971 New York Avenue. This is a two-family in East Flatbush. You have a nice entryway, chandelier. This is one of the front bedrooms. Very spacious, enough room for a desk, dresser, king-size bed there. Got a closet. Coming further along the hallway, you have a half bath. Nice exposed brick. Another bedroom. Again, very spacious, easily king-size bed in there. And then we have a nicely done bathroom. Also, double vanity, good amount of space. This living area is really also spacious. Ceiling heights are about 10 feet. There's still some stuff left. And looking out into your backyard with a deck. Newly renovated kitchen. Not unused, but recently renovated, I should say. Still in very nice shape. And then a nice stainless fridge. I'll take you out into the yard. We have a nice backyard. Gets good sun throughout the day. That is south, so you're getting light all through the beginning of the day. We're in the later afternoon in the winter right now, so no direct sun right now. And then continuing on, I'll take you upstairs. Right here is the stairways to downstairs. Some great skylight here. I love skylights. Get natural light in the stairwell. And we have a similar setup, very similar setup here as we did in the other, except we have the addition of this bedroom. A smaller bedroom with a closet. Large bedroom with great light, great windows. A bay window and the closet. And another sleeping area, also with a closet. Coming further, you have another similarly sized great room here. Tons of space for dining, living, office. Another very similar bathroom, but this one with a skylight, which again is awesome. For natural light. You got some nice fixtures in here. Again, the view out the back. Facing east, that is. Then we have another similar kitchen and dining. You can see it's in great shape. This is like a turnkey space. Windowed kitchen. Stainless fridge again. All right, now I'm going to take you back downstairs. You've got a couple of closets in the hallways. I didn't open every door. You have closets such as this. This is a coat closet. Similar thing upstairs. Now I'm going to take you downstairs. And there's a great space down here. This door goes to the outside under the stoop. You have some windows and a great downstairs space. So here is a kitchenette. Another room, probably used for sleeping. And then a newly renovated bathroom. Another room here. There's a lot of stuff in that one. I'll just show you, this is additional storage space. You could set up, it's got hookups for a washer dryer. And I'll just take you through here. And you have nice access to the backyard, where we were before. And then mechanicals. Mechanicals are in good shape, or look good anyway. And a little sort of mudroom here, area here. All right. That's it.